happy new week, and thank you all for joining me for another CVS deals video. I hope everyone is doing great. This is the first week of this ad cycle. Just make sure you scan the products in the store with your phone to see what coupons or CRTs you have to help you save more. And if this is your first time joining us, I would like to welcome you. Thanks for being here, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share, and let's go find some deals. My first deal in this video will be on General Mills cereal. They're on sale for $1.99, no extra care box bag. Pick up 2 Lucky Charms, and they will total $3.98. Check your app. We have 2 $1 off 2 digital coupon that will double dip and take off $2. You pay just $1.98. Then submit your receipt to Ibotta for 50 cents back on each box. And there is another $1 back for buying 2 boxes, which means you're getting back $2 from Ibotta, making them free. Redeem these 2 offers on Saturday night with last week deals, and both offers came off. I don't know if this is a glitch, and I hope it works for you. Also not giving back any extra care box will be on the Nature Valley granola bars. They're on sale for $1.99. Pick up 2. Both will total $3.98. We have a 50 cents off 2 digital coupon that will drop it down to $3.48. And then submit your receipt to Ibotta for 50 cents for buying 2 boxes, which will end up making them just $2.98 or $1.49 each. The first oral care deal I have in this video will be on Crest toothpaste. They're on sale for $4.99, and when you buy 2, you get $3 back. Pick up 2. Both will total $9.98. We have a 2 off 2 digital coupon, and it will drop it down to $7.98, and you get 3 back, making them just $4.98 or $2.49 each. I will suggest you do this deal only if you really need toothpaste. The next deal I have is on Scope mouthwash, and they're on sale for $4.99, and when you buy 2, you get $4 back. Pick up 2 for a total of $9.98. We have a 2 off 2 digital coupon that will drop it down to $7.98, and you get 4 back. Then submit your receipt to Ibotta for $1 back on each one. That means you get back $2 from Ibotta, which will make them just $1.99 or 99 cents each. The next deal I have is spend 15 get 10 back on Real Techniques or Eco Tools cosmetic tools. Pick up the Eco Tools C-Gem Eye Set, priced at $14.99, and that's within the 98% rule for spend 15. Pay $14.99 and you get 10 back, making it just $4.99. And this will make a good filler item if you have 10 off 70 purchase CRT. The next cosmetics deal I have is buy 2 get 5 back on any Maybelline cosmetics. Pick up 2 Maybelline baby lips, priced at $5.29 each, and they will total $10.58. We have a $3 CRT that everybody received, and this CRT is for both Maybelline or L'Oreal Cosmetics. Using the $3 CRT, it will drop it down to $7.58, and you get 5 back, making them just $2.58 or $1.29 each. We have CoverGirl on the deal of buy 2 get 6 back. Pick up 2 CoverGirl Perfect Blend pencils, priced at $6.59 each, and these 2 will total $13.18. We have a $4 CRT that will drop it down to $9.18, and you get 6 back, making them $3.18 or $1.59 each. We have some good Nivea deal going on this week, and let's start with the body lotion. They're on the deal of spend 20 get 10 back. Pick up 2 Nivea lotion, priced at $10.29 each, and both will total $20.58. Pay that, and you will get $10 extra care box back. Then submit your receipt to Ibotta for $1.50 back on each lotion. That means you get back $3 from Ibotta, making them just $7.58 or $3.79 each. You can pick up the body cream, also priced at $10.29, and the breakdown will be the same. Or Nivea men lotion, also priced at $10.29, and it will still be the same breakdown. The next Nivea deal I have is on body wash, and they're on the deal of buy 2 get 7 back, and I'll give you 2 options to do this deal depending on what you want. You can pick up the men's body wash. They are priced at $5.99 each, and both will total $11.98. Pay $11.98 and you get back $7 extra care box. Then submit your receipt to Ibotta for $1 back on each body wash. That means you get back $2 from Ibotta, making them just $2.98 or $1.49 each. If you prefer the women's body wash, they are priced at $6.99. Pick up 2 and they will total $13.98. Pay $13.98 and you get 7 back. Submit your receipt to Ibotta for $1 back on each. That means you get back $2 from Ibotta, making them just $4.98 or $2.49 each. If you need Dove body wash, the 30.6 ounce are on sale for $10.99, and when you buy 2, you get $4 back. Pick up 2 for a total of $21.98. We have a 4 off 2 digital coupon that will drop it down to $17.98, and you get 4 back, making them just $13.98 or $6.99 each. Another easy deal you can pick up this week will be on the Garnier Fructis shampoo or conditioners. They are on sale for 2 for $8, and when you buy 2, you get $2 back. Pick up 2 leave-in conditioners. Use the 4 off 2 digital coupon. Then you pay 4 and get 2 back, making them just $2 or $1 each. Next hair care deal I have is on whole blend shampoo or conditioners. They are on sale for 2 for $8, and when you buy 2, you get $2 back. Pick up 1 shampoo and 1 conditioner. Use a 3 off 2 digital coupon. Then you pay $5 and get 2 back, making them just $3 or $1.50 each. If you still have your 3 off 2 digital coupon for L'Oreal Elvive, this week they are on sale for 2 for $10, and when you buy 2, you get $4 back. Pick up 1 shampoo and 1 conditioner. Use the 3 off 2 digital coupon and you pay $7, get $4 back, making them just $3 or $1.50 each. All Got2b hair care products are on sale for $6.49, no extra care box bag. Pick up 1 and use the $1 off digital coupon and you pay just $5.49. I did not get the $1 coupon in my CVS app. As you can see on the ad, it says that we are supposed to receive a $1 digital coupon. I hope that anybody that wants to do this deal have the $1 coupon. Banana boat or Hawaiian tropic sun cares are on sale for buy 1 get 1 half off, and when you buy 2, you get $5 back. Pick up 2 banana boat after sun care gel, priced at $8.99, and with the buy 1 get 1 half off, the second one will be $4.50. These 2 will total $13.49. Use 2 $2 hang tag coupons. That will take off $4 and you pay $9.49, get 5 back, making them just $4.49 or $2.25 each. My next deal is buy 2 get 7 back on any Ensure. Pick up 2 Ensure priced at $12.99, and both will total $25.98. We have 2 Ensure digital coupons. One is 6 off and the second one is $5 off. Both coupons will take off $11 and you pay $14.98, get 7 back, making them just $7.98 or $3.99 each. My next deal is on Ajax dish liquid, on sale for $2.79, and when you buy 2, you get $2 back. Pick up 2 and they will total $5.58. We have a $1 off digital coupon that will drop it down to $4.58 and you get 2 back, making them just $2.58 or $1.29 each. The 20-ounce palm olives are on sale for $3.49, and when you buy 2, you get $3 back. Pick up 2 for a total of $6.98. Use 75 cents off Palmolive digital coupon and you will pay $6.23 and get 3 back, making them just $3.23 or $1.62 each. The 12.5 ounce Lysol disinfectant spray are on sale for $5.99, and when you buy 2, you get $3 back. Pick up 2 for a total of $11.98. We have $1 off Lysol digital coupon that will drop it down to $10.98 and you get 3 back, making them just $7.98 or $3.99 each. My next deal is on Purex detergent. They are on sale for $9.99, and when you buy 1, you get $5 back. Pick up 1, pay $9.99 and you get 5 back. Then submit your receipt to Ibotta for $1 back, making it just $3.99. The next deal I have is spend $30 get $10 back, and I have 4 options for this deal, but remember this deal is a limit of 1 per week. Pick up 2 Ninjamas nighttime underwear on sale for $9.99 and 1 Scott bath tissue on sale for $9.99. These 3 will total $29.97. We have a $1 digital coupon for the Scott, and we have 3 off 2 digital coupon for the Ninjamas. That will take off $4 and you pay $25.97, get 10 back, making them $15.97 or $5.32 each. My second option is to pick up 1 Charmin bath tissue on sale for $9.99 and 1 Bounty paper towel on sale for $9.99, and 1 Scott bag tissue on sale for $9.99. These 3 items will total $29.97, and that's within the 98% rule for spend 30. And this will be an all digital deal because we have a $1 coupon for the Scott, a $1 coupon for the Charmin, and a $1 digital coupon for the Barney. That will take off $3, dropping it down to $26.97, and you get 10 back, making them just $16.97 or $5.65. Third option I have is a simple one too. Pick up 1 Gain detergent on sale for $14.99 and 1 Tide detergent on sale for $14.99. These two will total $29.98, and that's within the 98% rule for spend 30. Use a $3 digital coupon for the Gain, or you can use one from Coupons 24 app, a $3 coupon for Tide detergent in Coupon 24 app, and a $3 Tide digital coupon. That means you can use one set this week and keep the other set for next week if you want to repeat this deal. Both coupons will take off $6, and you pay $23.98, get 10 back, making them just $13.98 or $6.99 each. The fourth option I have is to pick up 1 Downy Infusion on sale for $6.99, 1 Gain Fabric Softener on sale for $6.99, 1 Bounce Dryer Sheet 120 count on sale for $6.99, 1 Tide Pod on sale for $5.49, and the last item for this deal will be a Tide detergent on sale for $5.49. These 5 laundry products will total $31.95. There is a $1.50 coupon for each item in Coupon 24 app. We also have a $1.50 digital coupon for the Tide Pod and a $1.50 digital coupon for the detergent. So you pick whichever coupon you want to use. And the 5 coupons will take off $7.50, dropping it down to $24.45, and you get 10 back, making them just $14.45 or $2.89 each. And this concludes my video for today. Thank you all for watching. Thanks for all your support, and I'll talk to you all next time. Bye.